Every day, millions of emails fly across the internet. From casual conversations to business proposals, they hold a ton of information. But have you ever wondered how secure those emails really are? In today's video, we're diving into the world of email encryption. We'll explain how it works, why it's essential, and how it keeps your emails safe from prying eyes. Stick around, we're making the science of email security simple. What is email encryption? Let's start with the basics. What is email encryption? Imagine sending a letter that anyone can open and read. Sounds risky, right? Without encryption, that's basically what happens. But email encryption is like a magic shield for your messages, scrambling the contents so only the intended recipient can read them. You might be wondering, what does it mean for your emails? Well, without encryption, sending sensitive information like passwords, financial details, or private conversations is like broadcasting your message to anyone nearby. And we definitely don't want that. Encrypted versus unencrypted emails. Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Unencrypted email, think of it like putting your letter in an envelope that's completely transparent. Anyone handling it, your email service provider, servers, or even hackers could peek inside and read your message. Encrypted email, now imagine you lock that letter in a sturdy, opaque box with a special key. Only the person who has the matching key can open that box and read what's inside, keeping your message safe from anyone else. This is why email encryption is so important. It ensures that only you and the person you're communicating with can access the information. How encryption works, the basics. Now let's get into the nuts and bolts of how encryption works. No, it's not magic, it's really clever math. The process uses something called encryption algorithms to transform your message into a scrambled version called ciphertext. Plain text. This is your original message like, hey, the meeting's at 3 p.m. tomorrow. Ciphertext. After encryption, it looks like this: J8 at SD2L hashtag PX, 9GKF and TSQ1 WB asterisk PM $. Not readable at all. Encryption uses algorithms like AES or RSA to make this happen. The stronger the algorithm, the harder it is to break, just like a more complex code would be harder to crack. Keys, the secret unlockers. So what makes this encryption system work? It's the keys. These are like secret unlockers that let you lock and unlock the message. Public key, this is a key you can share with anyone. It locks the message, ensuring only the person with the right private key can open it. Private key, this is your personal key. It's the only one that can unlock the message locked with your public key. You have to keep this key safe and secret. Together, these two keys keep your messages secure. Types of email encryption. There are different types of encryption for different needs. Let's look at the two most common types. Symmetric encryption, this is like having one key to lock and unlock the message. Both you and the recipient need to have the same key. The problem? How do you securely share the key without it being intercepted? That's the main challenge with symmetric encryption. Asymmetric encryption, this is the encryption we use in most modern email services. It uses two keys, a public key to lock the message and a private key to unlock it. This solves the key exchange problem since you can share your public key openly, but only you have your private key to unlock the message. Now, there are also two standards that combine both methods. SMIME. This standard uses public-private key pairs for secure email encryption and verification. It also helps verify the identity of the sender, ensuring that the email came from the right person. PGP. Another standard that also combines symmetric and asymmetric encryption, but it's more commonly used by individuals who want strong privacy controls. The encryption process. Sending your secret message. Let's walk through the process of sending an encrypted email. Here's how it works. 1. Key generation and exchange. First, you create a public and private key pair. You share your public key with your recipient, and they share their public key with you. For you to send an encrypted email to your recipient, you must have their public key, and they must have yours. 2. Encrypting the email. You write your message. Your email program encrypts it using a temporary, fast symmetric key. Then, it encrypts the symmetric key using your recipient's public key. 3. Sending the encrypted email. You send the encrypted message and the encrypted symmetric key to your recipient. 4. Decryption. Your recipient uses their private key to decrypt the symmetric key. They use the symmetric key to decrypt the actual email message. At the end of the process, your email turns from gibberish back into readable text, only accessible to the recipient. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at telaris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Telaris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Telaris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. Why encryption is crucial. Now you might be asking, why go through all this effort? Well, email encryption provides huge benefits. 1. Confidentiality. Your messages stay private and are protected from hackers and unauthorized people. 2. Authentication and integrity. It verifies that the email really came from you and that it hasn't been altered during transmission. This helps protect you from scams. 3. Protection against cyber threats. Encryption safeguards your emails from phishing, business email compromise, and other cyber attacks. Even if hackers intercept your email, they'll just see a scrambled message they can't decrypt. So there you have it. Email encryption is your digital shield that keeps your conversations safe and secure. Whether you're sending a business proposal or just chatting with a friend, encryption ensures that no one else can eavesdrop on your private messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips.